Listen to the horns play. They're really getting at it. Look at that one way over there. They're all looking at the noise. Yeah, I don't want to play anymore.
No, the other two are doing it.
I got 4 pictures. Evidently some of them went on the cloud. That one's a little guy. Looks like he's busted one of his horns. See the one in the middle here? Just standing there? Back to us? Looks like he broke one. Am I seeing it right?
Oh, I see two, but I can't.
One's smaller. Way smaller.
I got the sun in my face, I can't really see.
Wish that one would move his head a little more. Pretty sure he's only got one long horn.
I think they were listening to the coyotes.
Yeah.
They were sure going at it over there, whatever they were doing.
This one's looking right square at us on the right in the group. Well, now all 3 of them are going to it. Right here in the puddle. Yeah, I'm going to break it up, he says. Oh, wow. Check it out. Oh, he's got him in a twist. They both got him in a twist. You go over here. It's not your fight. Stay the hell out of it. Yeah, that one's only got one horn. Oh, there's the other horn. It was just the way the sun was hitting it. He's like a yearling or something.